How to find bike trails on AllTrails. So first of all, launch AllTrails application, then make sure that you are logged on to your account. From here, make sure that you are on the Explore category. Then, at the top left, you'll see the category of All. Tap on it. From here, scroll down below. And over here under Activity, you'll see Mountain Biking option and Road Biking option. If you choose on mountain biking, you will see trails where you can do mountain biking, or if you choose on road biking, you can see trails that will allow you to do road biking on the map. So for now, I'm going to tap on road biking. Then just tap on Show Trails. And from here, all the trails where you can bike will be shown on AllTrails. Now, if you swipe up this pop-up, you can see all the biking trails available on the map of your location. So follow these easy steps to find biking trails on AllTrails. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.